Find the eccentricity of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 with least area and contains the circle x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 1. So first, the given circle is having center at 1 comma 0 and radius is 1 unit. So the radius is 1 unit, so the circle will be passing through 1 comma 1 and 1 comma minus 1, 2 comma 0, 0 comma 0, right? So if I draw the circle will be like this. So this is how the circle will be, and the ellipse is having center at 0 comma 0. So now if the ellipse should contain the circle, so the ellipse should be like this. So if it contains, obviously there should be point of contact with the circle, or the circle might lie entirely inside it, right? So they are asking minimum area of ellipse. So minimum condition is when these two will touch. So the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and the circle is x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 1, right? So here I'll try to find y square. So y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. So y square is equal to b square into 1 minus x square by a square. So substitute it here. So x minus 1 whole square plus b square into 1 minus x square by a square equal to 1. So this is x minus 1 whole square plus b square minus b square x square by a square equal to 1. So this is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus b square minus b square x square by a square is equal to 1. So this is x square into 1 minus b square by a square minus 2x plus b square is equal to 0, right? So this is a quadratic equation x. So this equation should have equal roots, right? Because they are touching. So as they are touching, delta should be equal to 0. So delta should be 0. So minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 minus b square by a square into b square is equal to 0. So 4 minus, this is 4 into b square minus b power 4 by a square is equal to 0. So we can cancel 4. So it will be 1 minus b square plus b power 4 by a square is equal to 0. So here we know that b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. So b square by a square is equal to 1 minus e square. So if I write it here, so 1 minus b square plus b square into b square by a square is 1 minus e square is equal to 0. 1 minus b square plus b square minus b square a square is equal to 0. So b square is equal to 1 by e square. So a square is equal to b square by 1 minus e square. So b square is 1 by e square is 1 minus e square. So area of ellipse is equal to, area of ellipse is pi ab. So pi into a is 1 by e into root 1 minus e square, b is 1 by e. So delta is a function of eccentricity, right? Area is represented by delta, so delta is a function of eccentricity. Delta by pi by e square into root of 1 minus e square. So for minimum area, delta dash of E is equal to 0. So if I differentiate this, d by de of pi by e square into root 1 minus e square is equal to 0. So pi is a constant, I can take it out. So this is 1 by root of e power 4 minus e power 6 whole square minus of, because 1 by x, no, minus 1 by x square into differentiation of this. So differentiation of this is 4e cube minus 6e power 5 is equal to 0. So this should not be 0. So only the numerator should be 0. So 4e cube is equal to 6e power 5. So e square is equal to 4 by 6, which is equal to 2 by 3. So eccentricity is 2 by root 3, because minus 2 by root 3 is not acceptable. So for this we should see whether the area is minimum or not. So to find minimum area, what we do is we'll look at the first derivative. So delta dash of e is equal to 6 e power 5 minus 4 e cube by root of e power 4 minus e power 6 whole square. So this is 2 e cube into, this is 3 e square minus 2 by e power 4 minus e power 6. So again 2 e cube into 3 e square, if I take out 1 minus 2 by 3 e square, by here I can take e power 4 out, 1 minus e square will remain. So the denominator is obviously positive, right? So only the numerator we have to see. So because e is less than 1, so for minimum delta dash of e plus should be greater than 0, delta dash of e minus should be less than 0, delta dash of e should be 0. So here we are getting e at root 2 by 3. So delta dash of root 2 by 3 plus h. If I see that, so e is root 2 by 3 plus. So if it is root 2 by 3 plus, e square will be 2 by 3 plus, right? So 2 by 3 plus, no? So this is clearly, this value is positive. So because this is less than 2 by 3, I mean less than 1, so it is greater than 0, delta dash of root 2 by 3 minus h is less than 0. At 2 by 3 it is already 0. So it is clearly minimum at e is equal to root 2 by 3. So and the least area is, so delta minimum is equal to pi by e square is 2 by 3 into 1 minus 2 by 3. So this is 3 root 3 pi by 2. So the least area is root 3 pi by 2 square units.